This is a quick one. This is coming from me as a nurse, of all the things I see people bring that you just so don't need, and just don't bring it, okay? All right. Number 1, jewelry. You can't have an ounce of jewelry anywhere on your body. Not here, not down under, not your precious wedding ring that you never take off. It all has to come off. So do yourself a favor and leave it at home. Yes, they can take it from you and lock it away, and it will probably be safe, but you don't want to worry about that. Just don't bring it. Another thing you don't need to bring is Gas X. Gas X strips, Gas X pills. The gas that you're going to have that's causing pain after surgery is literally in your abdominal cavity, not in your GI system, in the cavity around your GI system. So the only way to get rid of that is to walk, and walk some more. Your full-time job, that first couple days, is walking. That's your full-time job. That's it. Once you start being able to drink, yeah, we want you to have little sips, but walking is so freaking important. Another thing I hear in some of these videos is take an extension cord. Extension cords are not allowed. They are not legal. They're not legally allowed in our hospitals, in America anyways. So don't bring an extension cord, because if they see it, they're going to have to tell you to turn it off. It's okay to bring long phone cords. It's okay to bring a heating pad, although technically not. Things that like plug in that are appliances technically are not allowed, but a lot of times they'll let you slide with that. They also can order you a heating pad that is, we have some, it's a little tank filled with water and it circulates into the pad, and it is really helpful. For some people, heating pads help the gas. So a heating pad is not a bad idea, but if they don't let you have yours, they can order one for you to use. And the ones they have are really big, and they're actually really, really nice. Another thing I've seen people say on videos is that they take like body sprays or perfumes or sprays for the bathroom. Don't bring that, because your neighbor next door or your nurse, there's lots of people that have sensitivities to smells, and we don't allow those in the hospital. So don't bring that. Another thing, this is for your friends, a lot of hospitals do not allow regular balloons. You can bring like a Mylar helium type balloon, but regular balloons that are latex are not allowed. One of my things actually is slippers. I recommend that you take slippers, but I recommend that you take hard bottom slippers that you can throw away. Here's an example. Hard bottom. We don't want you slipping and sliding. And if your slippers are not hard bottom, they're not going to let you use them. They will give you in the hospital little like footy socks that are that have stuff on the bottom that are non-stick. Those personally drive me crazy. I don't like the feeling of them. So I took my own slippers and I just left them there. Germs, y'all. There's so many germs in the hospital. You know, we have lots of germs at home, but we're used to our home germs. We're not used to our hospital germs. So I totally recommend throwing away the shoes that you walk all over the hospital in on all those walks that you're going to do, because walking is important. So cheapy throwaways. Next, do not bring your own pillow, y'all. I know that we want to be comfy and everything, but again, germs, unless you are going to wash it as soon as you get home, then maybe. But I suggest just dealing with the pillows they have. Again, blankets, if you want to bring your own special blanket, it's fine. Just everything that you take to the hospital, I would like it to be something that you can wash immediately when you get home. So, you know, washable. Because germs, y'all. Sometimes people want to like bring an outfit to look all cute on the way home. You got to remember, you're still going to be bloated. So don't bring these cutesy little underwear. Don't bring your Victoria's Secret undies, y'all. Bring your granny panties. Bring your period panties. Those panties that you just don't care about. That's what you need to bring. Not the cuties. And not the bra that's going to have you all up and perky and perfect. Because you're going to have a incision all the way up here, and you want something loose fitting bra, y'all. Loose fitting bra, trust me. Your biggest, loosest, crappiest sports bra, that's the one you're gonna want for the hospital and going home in. So don't bring this cutesy little perfect outfit that's all fitted and you want to look hot leaving. You're not going to feel like it. You're not going to care. And you're not going to be comfortable with anything tight fitting.